Hello, YouTube. It's your main man BTM here. Welcome you back to the Black Tiger Mind YouTube channel. Let's go. Turbo turn up time. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Let's see here. This Jason Ellerberg gets the worm. In this case, Early Toad gets the fly. Get it? Turbo Turn Up time. So again, welcome to the Turbo Turn Up time. And this is the rewind. So we're going to go over all the stuff that happened the previous day. Testing 1, 2, testing. This is to test the turbo broadcast system. Are you ready? Again, this is TBS announcement, the turbo broadcast system. So this is turbo turn up. What's up? The turbo day on September 6th is going to be big. This is the Roaring Toady. I want to get the information out. Don't forget Turbo Turn Up Day or Turbo Day on September 6th. Let's create perhaps the largest community party in meme coin history together. So shout out to the Roaring Toad. And there's information here. So here's how you can help with the epic September 6th Turbo Turn Up Day. Turbo anniversary or the revolution. Shout out to all the turbo revolutionaries. What's up, Texas crypto? How's it, Tiger? What's up, Manny? Mackie, looks like a bull market is over. We're heading to the bear. Definitely not. This is just the warm up. Turbo system activated. This is just the warm up for the September 6th Turbo Day. So on Turbo Day, create countless viral memes for the day. Let's flood the internet with our creativity. Global gathering, organize X Spaces and live YouTube streams. You know, your main man BTM will be here, probably streaming. I might stream all day. I don't know yet, but I'm definitely going to be streaming live and probably throw a video or two out. Show the world our global reach and unity. Turbo Trivia, organize and participate in quizzes, games, and competitions on the day. Reward winners with exclusive Turbo gifts and tokens. And I will be passing out Turbo merch. So definitely let's try to get a trivia going. So just email me questions and we'll try to set that up and get ready to post your memes on September 6th, Turbo Day. That's Turbo Turn Up Day or Turbo Turn Up. Turbo, turbo, turbo. That's a lot of T's. But let's go. With the negativity, Mickey, BTC broke out. News will say new things, of course. But moving forward, so spread the world, spread the message like wow. Share this post while tagging exchanges, companies, YouTubers, influencers, and all sorts of people to raise awareness of this day. And that is Turbo Day on September 6th. September 6th is coming fast. We got to get ready. So this is the Hodge twins. See what they got to say.
Shoot somebody. If I got some bullion in the house, I got some gold, got some silver, crypto, got some platinum in there. Got some crypto in your Tangem wallet, on your crypto wallet. Somebody steal Tangem wallet, or somebody steal my damn hardware wallet, and millions of dollars of crypto, or I'm gonna blow your brains out. Crypto got some gold crypto, and some silver crypto. Got some Bitcoin, got some turbo, got all kinds of crypto in there. Shoot somebody. If I got some bullion in the house.
Some turbo. I told you guys, turbo will continue to pump as the word gets out. More people will be talking about it. Turbo's making meme coins great again. And I'm telling you guys, continue to hold. The Turbo Toad community is one of the fairest. The fair launched with a doxed founder, right? So we're not running scams, schemes, some coin that somebody made uh, and pushed out. This is a legitimate process and a legitimate project. So this is main man Freeman Finance. Put another 2.5 Ethereum into Turbo token. My convictions are strong. The following reasons: the best community I've ever seen. Check. More and more influencers talking about Turbo, and the community will follow. Check. The best meme coin of all time. Check, check, and check. Turbo time. Let's go. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. Just trying to rebuild my community. And this is million or zero. So it's turbo or bust. And for rebuilding the community, I think some people were saying rebuild the turbo community. I'm not talking about rebuilding the turbo community. I'm talking about rebuilding your personal community, the people around you, the people you know, your community, what generational wealth you're going to make with turbo. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. And this is, did not tell you before, get turbo. Why don't you listen? And this is the frog. I like how the frog's getting more sophisticated, right? Got the frog with the suit on, with the drinks, the champagne. I see you on a private jet. Uh, live look at Turbo now. Huge interruption imminent. Turbo Projects runs by Crypto Elite. Only one cycle pump, rug, pump. Interesting. Some toads have all the luck. Just wait until he rides the bull. I told you guys it's coming. Turbo Tracker for sure trying to delete a zero. Look at the stars. Look out how they shine for you. Turbo's looking for the moon and the stars on duty to help you wish the moon. Shout out to the Turbo Toad revolutions. So let's see. I guess we'll keep it moving. So this is a scam alert. I told you guys, we're surfing the web. We're looking for stuff like this so you guys don't lose your money. First off, Turbo Toad does not do airdrop. This site, let's make it bigger so you can really see it. This site is turbomeme.net. Meme coin made by AI for the people. Claim airdrop check eligibility. So if you see, thought I had it pulled up. I guess the actual Turbo site, the official Turbo is Turbo. Yeah. turbotoken.io, right? And it's going to pull up here. This is the site. First, site has the official links in the merch shop and a meme coin made for the people. There's no links here, right? The links are here in the official link. This site doesn't have this is the old site. This is the old background and everything. This is the old, this is not even a current Turbo site. It's the wrong site. So definitely don't fall to scammers and airdrops. And I don't know how this guy has 11,000 views, but you won't be able to claim your 25.
Coin is a remarkable coin, okay, that is surprisingly bullish. All right, it makes its way, okay. What you need to do is what I did last night. You don't want to miss this airdrop, okay. I went and signed up and I made $3,000 in turbo coins. Go to turbomeme.net right now, guys, right now. That's TURB.
And this is a scam. There is no turbomeme.net. It should be .io, like this site, turbotoken.io, not turbo meme. And again, Turbo Toad token does not do airdrops. Make sure you guys find this and put some postings on here. Somebody did posting. So Linsani was on here, scammer, and someone else. But make sure you guys hit this link or find this video and put a message on here. Want to keep the turbo community safe, right? You want to be able to have a community that's not going to get scammed with fake airdrops. Let me put this on here. So definitely go check this site out and make a comment. Let's see if we can find this guy. So this is the crypto bubbles. Cat would have had pumping like crazy. 27.4% up. Hoppy's up 16%. It was, but now starting to bounce back. Solana's up 3.3. SafeMoon's up 3.3. Kalura's up 6.9. Arch Block is up 25.8. Tiles down 4.1. Hints down 2.9. ZBCE is up 10.6. Mickey 5.3. Mog's down 5.6. Pepe's up 5.6. Turbo's down 3.4. Caspa's up 2.2. Render's up 13.2. Ton is up 13. Ton is down 12.9. Popcat's down 3.1. AVT is up 3.3. Near's up 3.9. Dogwood Hat is up 4.7. This is the Turbo web page. Close this out. Currently, Turbo's up 1.6%. Got over that 300 million market cap, like I said we would, and pushing back hard, right? 24-hour trading line is 68.6 million. Turbo's currently at 0.047. Last 7 days up 11.7%. 30 days down 20.2. 90 days 14.9. For the year, it's up 4,713. Let's go. What is this? Turbo Pinks and Caspa enough said. Okay. 24-hour low is 0.452, and the high was 0.050. Right? I got the 0.050 today. So let's look at the trader view. This is the 4-hour chart. Looks like we were down the volume. The MACD cross started pumping. The volume started pumping, and the MACD is still up, even though the price is down. Looks like that next resistance would be 0.038. So we might push back up to this 0.06 next week. Hopefully to pull back into a, where are we? Back to a 350 million market cap. We're going to push, like I said, we would push, going to push back up to 400, maybe 500 million, but we got to get past 350 next. We finally got over the 300 million market cap. LOL Pokey. Thank you, Texas Crypto, for the super chat. Haven't got any super chats in a while, so we're getting back on track. I know Turbo's a long shot, but just continue to hold. Turbo is going to make generational wealth so you can rebuild the community. But this is not financial advice. Even though saying this is not financial advice really doesn't mean a whole lot, but this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. Currently, the holder is 37,473, so we're up 0.72%. So the holders continue to come back to Turbo. Turn up time. Let's go. Let's go. It's Turbo turn up time. Remember, Turbo. So let's see here.
What's up, YouTube? This is Crypto Timmy coming at you with another one, with another banger. Good morning, guys. You are now tuned into the Crypto Timmy Show, and I'm your host, Crypto Timmy. And for this episode, I am going to be raising a question. What if Turbo got a Coinbase listing? Guys, I do not think that this is outside the realm of possibility. And in this episode, I am going to be talking about what things would change. As far as mainly my price prediction would change on Turbo, obviously it would be an amazing thing if Turbo got a coin thing. And I'm going to go over where my price prediction would go from where it is currently at. And in this episode, I am also going to be talking about my experience with Turbo, guys. It's an interesting, funny, exciting story, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So, guys, let's start off with my experience with Turbo. So I got into Turbo roughly 2 months ago. I got in at a great time. Right before mini parabolic pump where Turbo was approaching 1 penny. I decided I liked what I saw. I liked the narrative and I liked the coin. I liked the project. And I decided, I said, you know what? I'm going to break off an Ethereum. And I threw an entire Ethereum at Turbo when it was around a $100 million market cap. I think it was around $118 million market cap. That was my entry. And I threw it in, right? And guys, in the next 3 days, that $4,000, because Ethereum was trading around $4,000 at that point in time, my balance, I think the very next day I looked at my balance and it was $10,000. And I was literally jumping for joy, guys. I'll never forget. I was at work. I was working the early morning shift. It was like 3:30 in the morning. And I was looking at my balance and I was like, oh my God, jumping and jumping. And guys, the very next day I looked at my balance and it was about $20,000. And I always tell you guys about my good friend Gary. He's also into cryptocurrency. And I was sharing my experience with Gary, and Gary was like, Timmy, take profits. And I was like, you know what? I am going to hold on. And, you know, I'm glad I did that. I am glad that I held on. It was a bit risky, but I just said to myself, this thing is destined for greatness. Let me not. And it did consolidate, guys, but it has gone nowhere near. It is holding great support above a $200 million market cap. And I do not ever see Turbo
That's a
going.
great story. And I'm telling you, continue to hold, right? If it's going to keep going up, you're going to keep making generational wealth, right? But at some point, you do need to have a plan or an exit strategy or be prepared to take profit. So let me go to this. Where was this guy? Got a short here somewhere. Yeah, just short real quick, and we'll come back to Crypto Timmy.
Turbo is 1,063% up for the year, according to CoinMarketCap. The Fed just announced that rate cuts are coming. Guys, this is just another bullish catalyst for the market and for Turbo, in my opinion. What do you guys think? Is this going to be the one catalyst that the market needed to start pumping? Let me know what you guys. Peace out.
I think he's right. This is one of the catalysts going to get the market back going a little bit, right? Let me see here. I think there was another video. We'll come back to. Let's finish this video and then we'll go back to the next one.
Below a $200 million market cap, even with the volatility going on right now in the market. Guys, this just highlights how great and how, guys, crypto is exciting. It gets the people going, and I love it. You know, crypto makes me feel alive. And in case you haven't noticed, guys, I'm bullish. I am so bullish, guys. They don't call me the bullish banger for no reason, guys. And so let's get into Turbo. So guys, I believe that Turbo is destined for billions. I don't think anybody would refute that. We all know that Turbo is going to go into the billions of dollars of market cap. But the question is, how many billions will it go to? Guys, Turbo is currently listed on over 50 exchanges. We just recently got a couple of tier 1 exchanges between Bitfinex and then Kraken, guys. I was blown away when Kraken listed Turbo, guys. Turbo got listed on Kraken before many other cryptos that we would have thought would be listed on Kraken, Caspa in particular. That just blew my mind. And something that we have to take into account, guys, it is not all about listings, although listings are super, super important, but it has a lot to do with community behind the project, especially when we're talking about points. It is all about the community behind the project, and Turbo tick box, guys. It has an amazing community, so many people backing this project, and so we have to take that into account.
Just trying to rebuild my community. Let's go, Crypto Timmy.
And so, guys, let's get into my price predictions should Turbo not be listed on Coinbase, and then let's get into what I believe would happen if Turbo does get listed on Coinbase. So, guys, I believe in a 15-cent Turbo, a 20-cent Turbo, even a 25-cent Turbo, with or without a Coinbase listing. So, guys, if Turbo were to hit a 15 cents, it would be a 35x, and that would be a $10 billion market cap. I totally see that happening. If it hit 20 cents, a 20-cent Turbo would give you a 47x from where it is currently at. That would be a $12 billion market cap. And if Turbo hit 25 cents, it would be a 60x from where we are currently at. That would be $16 billion market cap. I believe that all of these prices are attainable with or without a Coinbase listing. Now, should Coinbase, and a lot of it has to do with the timing, guys. I believe that Turbo is destined to be listed on Coinbase, but the question is, when? Is it going to happen this market cycle? Is it going to happen the next bull run? And that has everything to do with the prediction I'm going to be giving. So should Coinbase list Turbo? And I believe that would be an excellent business proposition for Coinbase, because we all know, they all know, the amount of liquidity that is going to be pumped into this token, guys. I believe that Turbo is going to steal the spotlight. It is going to outperform many, if not all, of the meme coins in the meme coin sector. But so let's just say in the upcoming months, possibly maybe at some point in 2025, before the full effect of the parabolic run has taken off, if Coinbase were to list Turbo, I believe in a 50-cent Turbo, guys. Anywhere, even possibly a little lower than that, but you know, and at that point, we're talking 119x. That would be a $31 billion market cap. And like I said, I do not think that that is outside of the realm of possibility, guys. And also, guys, this is, you know, we're going to get extreme bullish, guys. But again, I don't think it's out of the question. Should Turbo get listed on Coinbase before the full effect of the parabolic run takes effect, guys, I believe in a $40 billion market cap, guys. If Shiba Inu could do it, why won't Turbo do it? And guys, that would be a 63-cent Turbo, and that would be 150x from where we are currently at. Now, guys, these are my predictions, and you have to.
So what do you guys think about a 40 to 60 cent Turbo, right? What he said, 40 billion market cap? Let me know what you think in the comments to the rewound revolutionaries, or rewind. I say that. Rewind revolutionaries. Let me know what you think about that. We'll go on to see what Rose price prediction is. And I was looking for that Hodges twin video, but I can't find it.
Video covering your favorite meme.
Let me know
And I
what you
feel like I've now
guys.
become just like the spokesperson.
Let me know what you guys think about the price prediction. 40 to, what do you say? 40 to 65 cents. Let me know in the comments. Let's get the comments going. Turbo turn up time. Let's go.
For Turbo token, and that's okay because I talk about it every single day, right? Currently trading at 2 zeros, 4 and 9. We literally just dipped below 5. We're holding that half a penny mark, and guys, I'm really urgent. I wanted to get past a penny so bad. I don't know about you guys, but like this video right now if you want.
Get past a penny so bad. Just to the penny. Just a penny. Come on, Turbo turn up. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. This is Texas Crypto. Anything over 10 cents is good for me. Definitely. Definitely. Over 10 cents, we are live.
Turbo to blow by a penny in the next couple of weeks, right? Because the more likes this video gets, the more probable it is for that to happen. Obviously, I'm joking. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Ro. I cover the latest and the greatest crypto content, try to help you guys make a 10-20 perfect play in this bull cycle. It's hard to do it alone. So join the community, like this video, subscribe, hit the bell. I try to help you guys along the way. I tried to do it alone in 2017. The only token I bought was XRP, and you guys know how that ended. In 2021, leveraged a lot of other YouTubers to kind of help me out, and that's what I'm here to do for you guys. Well, use these videos as a tool in your toolbox for trying to navigate these markets, but don't let it be the end all be all. Now, with that being said, let's hop into today's video. Turbo, man. Finally, we're seeing a little bit of green in the last day, in the last 24 hours, actually, up 5%. Last 7 days, up 22%. The market has recovered, and that's mainly because of the Fed came out saying that they're looking.
The market cap for 15 cents. Did he say 15 cents? Oh man, and I closed the video. Come on. Let me see that. Crypto Timmy. Let me see if I can find that. Let this video with Ro play a second.
Looking at cutting down interest rates in September because that announcement is going to come out in September. But again, the data could change. This is all speculation. And a big part of the rise in the crypto was because of that. And at the end of the day, right, I told you guys, if Bitcoin is pumping, all these other tokens are going to pump along with it. That's really just all it takes. All it takes is for crypto or Bitcoin to rise, because you need to understand Bitcoin is the first mover. The entire crypto market falls on the hands of Bitcoin. You better believe that if Bitcoin is dumping, if it's like genuinely dumping, not just moving sideways, your favorite meme coins, guys, they're not going to pump. That's just the reality of it. And the thing that's pumping us right now, that going into this weekend, is the fact that September is right around the corner. These rates, typically they were hinting at that they should be cut. So obviously, very bullish sign for the market. But the thing is, we don't know if that's 100% certain, because data could be skewed, data could be manipulated right now. So we never know until it happens. So take it with a grain of salt, and just enjoy the gains while you're at it, right? If you guys are people that are buying at the lows here,
Yeah, I don't think they're going to cut the interest rate. Just an FYI there, because they generally do this, right? If they tell you ahead of time.
Take that into account. And so, guys, let's get into my price predictions.
So here it is.
Should Turbo not be listed on Coinbase? And then let's get into what I believe would happen if Turbo does get listed on Coinbase. So, guys, I believe in a 15-cent Turbo, a 20-cent Turbo, even a 25-cent Turbo, with or without a Coinbase listing. So, guys, if Turbo were to hit a 15 cents, it would be a 30x, and that would be a $10 billion market cap. I totally see that happening. If it hit 20 cents, a 20-cent Turbo would give you a 47x from where it is currently at. That would be a $12 billion market cap. And if Turbo hit 25 cents, it would be a 60x from where we are currently at. That would be a $16 billion market cap. I believe that all of these prices are attainable with or without a Coinbase listing.
So he said 10 billion or 8 billion. The market cap of 15 cents, hard to hear. 10 billion. So let's go back to Bro.
like I was yelling from the top of my lungs to do so, then you are probably happy right now, right? Circulating supply, 100% of it is circulating, guys. 69 billion is out there. As you guys can see here, they also changed the color of this pill from blue to green, because I'm like on this website every single day. I kind of understand everything. Contract renounced, no taxes, total supply.
I didn't even notice that. Did you notice that? No reason that isn't possible. Definitely. It definitely, like you see it. If SHIB can do it and Dodge can do it, I'm pretty sure Turbo's going to do it.
69 billion. Super.
And did y'all notice that they changed it from green to blue, or from blue to green? He's right. Actually, that's weird. I didn't even notice that.
Good tokenomics, guys. And again, the story behind this meme coin is what sets it apart, right? Unlike other meme coins that, they made these tokens obviously for money. Everyone's in it for money, right? At the end of the day, when the sooner that you get over the fact that, hey, everyone that's doing anything right now, they want to make money from it, right? When you understand that, then you realize, okay, there's nothing inherently wrong about that. But Turbo genuinely rep mankind.
Wait a minute, Spirit, that's you, Screaming Toad, right? Don't you do the website? Shout out to the Screaming Toad for updating the Turbo Toad website. Actually, I didn't even notice that. Hold up, let me see. Is it really blue? I mean, really green? Let's see here what pulls up a super fast internet. It is green. Awesome. So good catch there, Row. Shout out to the Screaming Toad.
Started this project because he's an NFT art collector. Some of his art has been all over galleries, all over the world, and he started this project because he's like, yo, NFTs are dead, right? And no one's really been buying his stuff. And he just decided, let me do a project with my community. And he typed into ChatGPT-4 saying, I have 69 bucks, help me to make the best meme coin possible. Spit it out some names, spit it out some steps for him to follow. And he literally just copied and pasted, asked the community. The community chose Turbo Toad as the name. And then we even helped in picking
That's interesting, actually, Screaming Toad.
the logo. And we were involved in a bunch of other steps throughout that process. Now, obviously, I wasn't there during that time. I did get introduced into Turbo around January, February time of this year. So, and I was telling you guys to buy into it during March. If you guys got in right now, the price wouldn't even shake you just because you'd already be up like 10, 20x anyways, right? So the backstory behind this crypto is what sets it apart from me, which is why I believe it. And right now, it's basically community driven. There's a lot of AMAs that are being held, hosted by a lot of members of this community. Shout out to Freeman Finance, Sab Franca, Mike the Investor, Black Tiger, Holden Blaze, Crypto John, super bullish on this token.
Black Tiger Miner. I think I know that guy. I think I know the handsome stud.
And these guys are doing their due diligence to spread the news about Turbo. And I always say, if you're a holder of any type of meme coin, you need to do your part in spreading the news as well. Whether that's just buying the crypto, liking these videos, sharing them, or commenting on their Twitter threads, or just doing your part to spread the message. Because I'm telling you guys, this is going to be easily over $1 billion market cap crypto in the near future. And then there's going to be a new influx of people that come into our community. So you guys need to be the pioneers. You guys need to be the ones that are making the decisions right now, right?
Jellyfish Lighting is an all-in-one permanent exterior lighting system. Through an app on your phone, you are able
So here's the chart. Pretty bullish right now. We're basically going back up to supply area of that 0.005. We did wick up there, but we obviously aren't there right now. Hopefully we do close above it. If we close above it, that would be insanely bullish. That would be amazing if that happens. Right now we did find this demand area, super strong area. We did bounce strongly off that 204 mark. Hopefully, guys, by the end of the day today, we close above 0.005, half of a penny, and then we start our next leg up. Again, September, hopefully, fingers crossed, should be a very bullish month. If the Fed decides to cut their rates, it will be a very happy time for.
Unfortunately, I think they're not going to cut the rate. And if they do cut it, it's going to be a 0.25. I think it's going to be a whole half a point. But I honestly don't think they're going to cut the rate. I think they're hyping us to come up with another reason not to cut it last minute.
Crypto. Follow these on Twitter, guys. One of the most proactive and one of the most proactive meme coin communities that I know. Their team is always coming.
Yeah, because see, here's the old image, right? It's red and blue, not red and green. Wonder where that change came from. Concerning.
Out with announcements, partnerships, and just exciting news coming out with memes and things like that. Cool little giveaways, cool collaborations with exchanges, giveaways, things like that. So that is why I'm bullish on them, because regardless if the market's moving sideways, these guys are obviously still working behind the scenes. Mike the Investor also super bullish on Turbo. I'm confident we will see Turbo in the multi-billions, and that is something I do not disagree with. Turbo breaks through resistance with power and is back to 0.05. Can we hold? Hopefully, guys, by the end of the day, we do close above it. That would be very, very beautiful to see. Now, let's just compare, if Turbo does go to the multi-billion, let's just say a $10 billion market cap Turbo, which is possible. You're looking at 27x. Okay, that's almost a 13, 14 cent Turbo. That is insane, okay? That is literally crazy. I am going to start taking profits around 10 cents, 10 to 15 cents target for Turbo. I'm not saying it can't go any higher. I have a conservative outlook on these markets because look, last born, something I made a mistake of was I had a lot of my gains left on the table, and I watched it go back down to zero. I don't want to do the same mistake this time around, so I'm going to be proactively taking a look at the markets and pulling out.
That was some more advice there to take into consideration. At some point, you should take profit. I'm sure it's not going to crash the token, but don't wait. Because, like you said, a lot of us waited too late last time and didn't reap the proper profits. Take
What a day for. Did the DGens finally wake up, or did somebody say, let's turn the money printer on? Let's get into it, guys. What did the Fed say yesterday at Jackson Hole, and why did the entire market take off? What did it look like for Turbo? Let's get into the charts and what key levels we have to be watching for Turbo to break in order to make sure successful, guys. We also have to keep a look on the macroeconomical environment to see if this rally will continue, guys. It's going to be a very informative video. We're going to get into everything Turbo and more. But first, I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I am truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you're not, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. Now let's get into the video, guys. I just want to say I really do appreciate all of you who are a part of the family and have subscribed. Make sure to hit that like button. It really helps boost us and get exposure to more Turbo toads. But guys, when we look at the bubble maps or the crypto bubbles, we see Turbo right here smacking middle, man, 15% up on the last day. It has been great. And when we look into the price, this is right here on the 4-hour candle. And I want to show you all what we have to watch out for. But one, what we seen yesterday was a very nice pump, and it did not sell. Like if we look at that, it went up about 20%, and it's sitting here consolidating very nicely. And so this looks like just a big bull flag for me, obviously, or maybe you can call it a little bull flag. But I'm expecting us to have a breakout of this of over half a penny. But what do we have to watch out for? We know there are some key levels that are currently that we need to flip into support. So what are, and so let's go into this time frame, zoom out a little bit, and let's look at some periods where have been rejected. And we can see right here that the most one coming up closest is this level right here, guys. Even right there, it had rejected us a little bit. So when we take a look at it, that is
what's going on, K-Pack. Nothing, just talking about turbo turn up time. Turbo, turbo, turbo. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. In the current price action and different price predictions. So far, there's 20 to, was it 40 to 60 cent, 15 cent, and 10 cents. So let me know what you guys think and market cap predictions for the bull run. Let's go. Turbo turn up time.
right underneath the half a penny level. And that is currently where we are sitting right now. So how do we break that? How do we invalidate that? How do we flip that from resistance into support? Let's take a look at it. So what we're wanting to see, and I'm expecting this to happen very soon, is we don't just want to see a pump up and then, just kind of middle off and then fall off. What I want to see is a volume. Okay. I want to see it break out with volume, come back, retest it, come up, maybe retest it again, and then take off. That is exactly what I am wanting to see it. And that right there is evidence of flipping a resistance into a support. But guys, look at these big buys coming in. Okay. Now, ate up that 20,000 sell, right? I mean, but there is a lot of volume coming in for Turbo. But is this going to last? Is it short-lived? Why is this happening?
Step into options education with confidence. At the Options Industry Council, we want.
Well, I said yesterday on X that the Fed was speaking in a little over an hour at Jackson Hole. If this is dovish, we will see a boom. If this is bearish with rate cuts being low, then we will see a sell-off. And that is exactly what we've seen. We've seen a boom because the Fed was dovish. This right here is MSN.com. Reserve chair draw signaled on Friday that lower interest rates are. What does that mean? That means when interest rates are lower, it's cheaper. So people are willing to invest in risk on assets more. Okay. They can't just keep their money in the bank and earn 5, 6, 7%. That rate goes down as well. So people want to invest on risk on assets. And that's exactly what crypto is. But more importantly, altcoins and maybe this DGN meme coin, right? What is wrong with us where we dropped on our head? But it's not that. Turbo is continuing to grow, guys. Look, it was just, a few, weeks ago, like seriously, just the beginning of the month, we were at 36,007, and we're up almost 1,000 holders, 1,000 new members in the Turbo Toad family. And it has been growing in a period of boringness, in a period of consolidation. A lot of people had a prime opportunity to.
Yeah, a lot of people missed out waiting around. They could have jumped on Turbo. Looks like there is some activity going actually. So this is actually, do I have a filter? No, I don't have a filter on. Okay, so there is some buying momentum. 200,000, 200,000, 200,000, 200,000, 300,000, 198,000. So not much whale, but there was a lot of selling today. There's a 24th, and then a lot of buying. So I guess the overseas market's waking up and they're liking Turbo. Just threw in on a Sun Pepe. Looks like it's pumping. I would like to see Turbo hit $1 billion market cap. That's 15 cents per coin. Definitely. Let's see here. Check the web activity. We're looking at the whale sold at, what is that? 4 o'clock, 13, 14, 15, 3 o'clock. Sold 3.4 million. Well, bought 3.2, bought 3.9. Somebody sold 4, bought 2.7, sold 5. Interesting. There's been some whale activity during the day, but mainly it's been buying lately in the last 30 minutes. So the price should push back up. So let me know what you guys think about that as well.
To buy the dip. The dip was here for a long period of time. Okay. Maybe I could understand if someone did not buy the dip back here, if they were wanting to, because this was up, down, up, down. But in this period of consolidation, prime opportunity. But I just want to say, guys, remember meme coins, even is extremely risky. And so this is never financial advice. I'm just got slightly a degen and loves a finance. And these are always a smaller allocation of my portfolio. But we've got more people joining a meme coin made by AI for the people, but we can't do it on our own. Okay. We have to see a breakout on Bitcoin. And even though Bitcoin was up 6% yesterday, that does not out of the clear. In the macro view of thing on the daily candle, we are still in this bullish flag pattern. And I made this measurement earlier, but if we take a look at it, this flagpole is approximately yay high. And if we take that, that's going to get us a breakout to approximately close to 100,000, and I have this marked right here because 100,000 is obviously a new big all-time high. And then it's also 6 figures. So people will have their little sell orders up there trying to down, but that is very bullish. What we might see is everything pumping, Bitcoin go up, Bitcoin come down, Bitcoin dominance go down, and then altcoin dominance go up. And that would be the altcoin season that we are all waiting for. But this is really good to see with the entire.
So we're almost at that altcoin season. The analysis there. Freeman, let's see what Crypto Now or Never is talking about.
Let's quit.
I have a dream, that's all I need.
All right, at the time of recording this video, Bitcoin is currently getting a very nice short squeeze. It is almost back to 62,000. And if you actually look at the Bitcoin chart, this is a very important level for us because we are retesting the 200-day moving average. If we can close a 4-hour candle, then Bitcoin could begin a bullish trend. We have not been above this level since August 2nd, and I've spoken about this level many different times in my videos. So again, this is very important. But I do also want to be clear, we are still trading beneath the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame. And this right here is the level that we need to get back above. And the 200-day is currently sitting around 63,100. If we can get back above this level, then I will instantly gain a lot of confidence in a lot of the altcoins. Obviously, some of them can still pump regardless of how Bitcoin's doing. But in terms of the overall crypto market, we will be a lot more bullish once we're above this level. But regardless, by the time you guys are watching this video, you'll probably already know whether or not we got back above it. At the moment, we are definitely struggling. We've been rejected 2 or 3 times already. But regardless, if we take a look at the meme coin market, a lot of them are just waiting for Bitcoin to move. As you can see in the last week, Dogecoin's up 10%, SHIB is up 11%, Pepe's up 15%, WIF is up 19%. If you scroll down, Turbo's currently up about 11.8%. They're the 216th largest crypto, at least based on CoinMarketCap. Now, if you look at Turbo and Dex tools, they're at about a $290 million market cap. But basically, they're still in this giant falling wedge or giant bull flag, however you want to look at it. To me, it's more of something like this, and we had that initial breakout and fell right back into the pattern. But nonetheless, falling wedges break up 68% of the time. So if this does actually get the breakout, then this could have a measured move to just over 1 cent. And obviously, those would be some very nice gains. Now, is the breakout or the measure move guaranteed? No, they are not. But it is something to keep your eyes on. But as I always say, meme coins also sometimes don't even follow technical analysis, only just because they are completely driven based on hype. But now regarding hype, I want to take a look at their X account. They're up to 74.3 thousand followers. The last video I made about Turbo, they had just gotten listed on Kraken, and this is a very nice. But since then, they've continued to post a lot of different things, and they're still getting excellent engagement. I like this post right here that they posted on August 18th, Turbo altcoin season. We've built a powerful foundation setting the stage for the next phase of this bull market. Our determined community stands strong, ready for what's ahead. And I actually completely agree with this. Turbo has one of the strongest communities out of all of them.
So if you haven't noticed, everyone's talking about how strong the community is. Trying to rebuild my community, but definitely continue to hold, guys. We got this. The bull run comes, Turbo is going to run.
And the fact that they are getting huge listings like Kraken is extremely bullish. That's going to make it significantly easier for most people to buy Turbo. And then Bitfinex had also posted about Turbo, and Bitfinex has almost 1 million followers. So there are definitely a lot of eyes on Turbo right now. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I was a little bit late to the Turbo party, but I have gradually gotten more and more bullish on this project. So I definitely recommend keeping your eyes on it. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord to Patreon. The current moment I have.
Thanks, but no thanks. But that was, I guess, his video. So let's see what else is here. Things are running kind of fast. Actually, I didn't even think we'd get to this video. So let's see what else is here. I was looking for the Hodges twin one, but it's not. I guess they're talking about it on another video. Like they're talking about it on something else. See what my main man Zap had on.
To improve digital security, just turn on NordVPN. Guard yourself.
What's going on, everybody? Here, we got another one for you. It's another beautiful day here in America. It is Saturday, August 24th, 2024. And I hope you're having a wonderful day. Hey, let's talk a little bit about Turbo. So currently, Turbo is sitting at 2048. Okay? Since I made a video last till now, $50 million have been injected into Turbo's price, thus creating a 17% price spike. That's pretty incredible. There are a couple reasons behind that. The entire market is going up, but not as much as Turbo. I mean, you have some going up more, some going up less, but for the most part, Turbo is doing better than the other coins. And I would say the reason behind that is the fact that Turbo has been a coiled spring. I've been saying that this sub half a penny price is not something that you should be comfortable with. This has been a heavily discounted project for quite some time, since May, really. And we have bullish news. So I don't know if y'all are familiar with the Hodge twins, but they're a YouTube channel that they're at about 3.2 million subscribers. Massive YouTube channel. They're really funny and they got great following. And they pretty much said they hold 3 crypto projects: Bitcoin, Solana, and Turbo. Cool is that? I mean, how cool is that? All right. We have other crazy stuff happening, like RFK dropping out of the race and endorsing Trump, bullish on crypto. That's a huge deal. We have Elon Musk offering to start a government efficiency, Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, what would you call it, sector of the government. And Elon Musk wanted to be the head of that. I mean, we have all of these bullish people, not even just bullish on crypto, but just bullish people that want to innovate and move forward and improve our lives, all wanting to come together under one political movement. And it just seems like things into place pretty quickly. So that's a bullish sentiment as well. And then thirdly, we have the Fed coming out saying that things are going back to normal. Things are going back to normal, which is very good. And then I guess fourthly, you could say too, the seasons are changing. I mean, it is mid-50s right now where I'm at. I'm driving out to get some supplies because we are tearing my house apart to get it ready for sale. And yeah, that's another thing too. That's why I haven't been making too many videos. It's just been wild. But I gotta tell you, what is this guy doing? Man, you should have seen him. That was crazy. People are crazy. You're lucky. You're lucky I'm a good person. At least I try to be. Man, but with all of the bullish sentiment going on right now, I'm going to just come out and boldly say this is just the beginning. And what am I doing? Literally nothing. I am still buying $10 a day DCA. That's my game. That's my plan. $10 a day DCA until I'm ready to sell, which I'm not ready to sell for quite some time. We have a lot more upward price action before I'm ready. Of the things out there, I want y'all to think for a minute of what has the best community, what has the most exchange listings, and what has the best sentiment for it. Look at the pictures. Look at everything that's going on with Turbo and compare it to other projects and just ask yourself, would I rather hold another meme coin than this coin? And I'm almost half tempted to say this is not a meme coin, it's a community coin. I don't know if there's a difference because meme coins are typically centered around community, but this project is a hub for real human interaction. And there are plenty of other meme coins out there that don't offer that have bots buying them up and making it look like they're actually more popular than what they really are. And Turbo is not about that. We don't have any influencers. I'm not paid by Turbo. We don't have any influencers pushing Turbo, at least. And that is an incredible thing. This is a completely organic project and community. And I think the minute that Turbo starts to pay for its people to push it is the minute that Turbo is going to fail. We need to continue to be organic and authentic and real. And that's what's going to keep this project moving in the right direction. I don't see this project easily. I mean, this project's easily going to do a 10x. I could easily see this do a 20x because a 10x would put it at around 5 cents. Okay, so my first leg up, in my opinion, which by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm just a dude in his truck. I don't really have any financial advice. I'm just a crypto guy, a crypto retail buyer that has a day job and a family, and I'm just looking for my family, doing the best I can, but then talking about it while driving around. I'm actually heading to Lowe's, like I said, picking up supplies for my house. So anyway, the next leg up is going to be an easy 10x. In my opinion, that'll be just shy of a nickel. It might be an 8x from where we're at now because we did have a nice little pump, but still, nice little leg up. I think a nickel might be a point of resistance. It might be a point of consolidation. And beyond.
That's a good question. I don't know who that was. Hater all day. or HTTR. I don't know, but yeah, he's gone. Thanks, but no thanks. We don't need futters. Definitely at almost 11 o'clock at night, dude. Beat it. Kick rock, sir. But this is what you said, Pat. Turbo Toe will make people a lot of money. Or Turbo will make people a lot. This is the crypto channel.
Hey everyone, how's it going? Christina here. Welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well. Turbo is kind of hiking back up. I know now if we're looking at the 1 month view here, it looks kind of bad, but just remember this is a view of the dip that happened in the beginning of July. And, you know, it went from at this point an all-time high of 0061 and then all the way 0029. So this was the market crash. And then, you know, it kind of picked up a tiny bit into 0041 and has kind of been staying here for a little while. And now we're picking up again. It is at 0049 at the moment, but it was just at 50. So I think a little bit of a revival right now for Turbo, which I think great. If you hold Turbo, I think it's very important to hold. Obviously, for the year, we're up 4,781%, which is magnificent. And you can see the chart shows that with this sharp incline here. This was in May, all the way up to 94, and this is when it was going through a correction, and then it kind of went down to 37, back up again to 73, and then kind of steady here in the 0040 range. But it's hiking back up to 50, which I think is really, really great. Hopefully, we'll get some more exchange listings for this. We already have crypto.com, which is a big one. We already have Kraken, which is a big one. And it also has an uphold listing. So the major tier 1 exchanges, not the biggest tier 1s, but it's doing pretty good for tier 1s. And I think there's a lot more to go here. So if you have Turbo, I think it's very important to hold it through the bull cycle. I think this is a really great long-term meme coin. So if you have it, hold it. Because my price prediction for this is it could probably go to a $30 billion to $40 billion market cap, which would put it at 50 to 70 cents, which I think would be a really nice gain. For those of you who are holding it, hopefully.
There goes that 50 cents again. So what is that? Out of 4 people, 3 people said, what is that? 40 to 60 cents. So somewhere in that 50-cent range, which would be very nice for your boy. But let me know what you guys think about the price prediction per coin. Not even the market cap, but just what do you think the price will be in the bull run?
Hopefully you bought it at the bottom here, but I know a lot of people were opting into it. I'm not going to say too late in the game, but I think the golden time to have bought Turbo was down here in the beginning of 2024 in the March-April range, because then in May it kind of skyrocketed. But again, if you hold it, especially if you bought it down here, continue to hold it, because like I said, I really think this could go to a $30-40 billion market cap, which is very, very possible. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this to show you that I think it is on a incline. And I think by September, we'll see it possibly up to 1 cent. I think that could happen towards the end of September, maybe 1 cent. And into 2 cent, 3 cent range once we get into October and the fall. September, October, and then into the end of the year is going to be a really crucial time for a lot of these meme coins. and also Caspa. So I think it's very important to get your portfolio together now, because I think August is all buying these at a discount. And then once we get into September and October, I think it's all about kind of holding things, you know, with the exception of maybe Caspa. I'm probably going to continue to buy that up to like 30-40 cents maybe. I know some people who are planning to buy it like up to $1, which is fine, but yeah, so continue to pack your bag.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to keep buying Casper the whole time. Just keep DCAing into it. Again, it's not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. But thanks for joining the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel, the turbo turn up time, and the price predictions. And don't forget about the scammers. Turbo does not do airdrops, period. But thanks for joining this evening. Probably not do it live tomorrow, but I'll see you guys again Monday night. Thanks for joining. And this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Peace. Back to the money. And again, stay dangerous. I'm out.